Good morning, class. Today is Wednesday, April 1st. I am here for our morning meeting. My question of the day is, what is environmental print? So I know most of you don't know what that is, but I'm going to go over it with you. So environmental print is the text or pictures or signs that you see around you all the time. It can be a sign or a logo in stores, on bags, on buildings, on different products, on toy packaging. And there are things you see that you don't even have to read, but you already know what it says just by looking at it. So I have some alphabet environmental print that I will go over with you. And these are things, words or pictures, that if you look at them, you will know what they are without even reading them. So some of you play on mom or dad's phone or computer and you will notice the Apple sign, which is, it stands for Apple, and it's like if mom or dad has an iPhone or a Mac computer, you'll see this Apple logo. Some of the girls might know what this is. Without even reading it, you'll know that that says and stands for Barbie, and that is the logo that you see on the packaging. You'll know that this is Crayola, because you guys all use Crayola crayons, and without even reading it, you'll know that that says Crayola. This you've probably seen on your TV many times. The Disney logo. You know that that says Disney, and that stands for Disney with the Mickey ears without even reading it. E for Elmo. F for Fruit Loops. You know that that says Fruit Loops because you guys are used to the box and the environmental print, and you can tell what it says without reading it. Google. You might use that a little more in the next coming years. Hot Wheels. Some of the boys already know that the flames with those yellow words stands for Hot Wheels. We have an iPhone for I, which is the same logo as the Apple logo. We have a juice box. Some of you might drink these at home. This one, you might know it, Juicy Juice. We have K for Kool-Aid. So without even reading that, you might know that that man, the Kool-Aid guy, stands for Kool-Aid. L for Lego. I bet you guys already know that that says Lego, just by seeing the red square with the L-E-G-O inside. You all know what this is, I'm sure. Once you see that big yellow M, you know it stands for McDonald's without even reading it. The orange splat for Nickelodeon. If some of you watch that, you'll see this on the TV. You know what this is, Oreos, because you know that Oreos come in a blue package with the white lettering and it shows the cookie on the picture. The Play-Doh symbol for P, you guys already know that this says Play-Doh without even reading it. And then we go to Q. On a card, you might know that that's a queen. Q for queen. This is a brand, R for Reebok. Some of you might have Reebok sneakers or clothing. That stands for that. Superman. You know that this logo stands for Superman, starting with an S. T for Toy Story. You don't even have to read it. You already know what movie it is. U, you might know what this is. This is a U-Haul truck. Helps people move. You might know what that is just by looking at the orange and white truck. V for Verizon. You might know what that is. Not sure yet, but I'm sure mom and dad do. W for Walmart. If some of you have been to the store Walmart, you will know that seeing those blue lettering with the yellow star stands for Walmart. Xbox, some of you might play this. Just by looking at it, you will know that that stands for Xbox. Y for Yoo-hoo. Some of you drink this at school. Chocolate milk, you know what it is. And Z for zipper. So these are some examples of environmental print, which again is things that you look at that you don't have to read and you can tell exactly what it is. So you can come up with these at home, look for them around your house. A lot of times you will see these in the kitchen on things, on different foods mom and dad may have purchased. You will see all different environmental prints. Look on your toy packaging. If something comes in a box, you can look on it and look for the brand, look for the logo, and you can find environmental print all around your house. So our morning center activity today is going to be our number finds. Last week you guys worked on numbers 1 through 5. This week you are going to work on 6 through 10 today. So hopefully you can print these 6 through 10. I've done one for you. Always put your name on that name line. If there's no line down here, it's usually up top. Just write it. That's the first thing we do. Look at your number up here. You have a 6. So I went and I circled some of the 6s to show you. I didn't want to give them all away. And you will do 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So have fun with these. Practice counting, practice saying your numbers out loud. And I will be back this afternoon for religion. And I hope you had fun. Bye, guys.